Asterisk, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's next compact Powerhouse is coming, the M5 Mac Mini. Leaks suggest massive performance boosts, new features, and maybe even a redesign. Today, we're breaking down the release date, price, and every leak you need to know. The M5 Mac Mini could be Apple's most powerful mini desktop ever. From M5 chip upgrades to Thunderbolt 5 support, here's everything we know so far about Apple's next big launch. Apple's M5 Mac Mini leaks are here, new design, insane power, and the release date we've all been waiting for. M5 Mac Mini. Every leak, rumor, and update, Apple's Mac Mini just keeps getting better. And now, the M5 Mac Mini leaks suggest this could be the biggest update we've ever seen. With a brand new chip, insane performance, and a possible redesign, this could be the ultimate compact Mac. Today, we're diving into the release date, price, specs, and top features of Apple's next powerhouse, the M5 Mac Mini. The M5 chip is expected to bring next-level performance with faster CPU cores, improved GPU, and an upgraded neural engine for AI tasks. Apple may also launch an M5 Pro version. It's aimed at developers, designers, and pro users. Expect better multitasking, video editing power, and gaming capabilities than ever before in a compact form. Design and ports rumors suggest Apple could slim down the chassis while keeping a minimalist aluminum body. Possible new color options similar to the iMac line. Connectivity may include Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, and upgraded Wi-Fi 7. Apple might also introduce stackable modules for storage or GPU expansion. Features to expect: M5 and M5 Pro chip options, next-gen neural engine for AI and machine learning Thunderbolt 5 for ultra-fast data transfer, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support. Upgraded GPU for gaming and pro apps, energy efficiency with longer sustained performance, compact. Modernized chassis support for multiple 8K displays, macOS optimized for AI workflows. Affordable entry price with Pro upgrade path. Release date: industry insiders expect the M5 Mac Mini to drop late 2025 or early 2026. Possibly announced at Apple's October event. Price: the base model could start at $599, with the M5 Pro version ranging up to $1,399, depending on configuration. The M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful compact computer ever. With new chips, upgraded design, and next-gen connectivity, this could be the best value Mac for both pros and everyday users. What do you think? Will the M5 Mac Mini replace your current setup, or are you waiting for the Mac Studio or Mac Pro? So the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be Apple's ultimate compact desktop. Are you planning to upgrade when it launches? Or will you stick with your current Mac? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest Apple leaks and news. That's everything we know about the M5 Mac Mini leaks and rumors. But Apple has more on the way, from the M5 MacBook Pro to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe now, because big Apple updates are coming. The M5 Mac Mini could be Apple's most powerful mini ever. Are you hyped? That like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.